Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all doing well. Have a nice day, you all. So you all might be wondering that where am I going in this video? So this video is about my last weekend. How did I spend my last weekend with my family? We enjoyed a lot and had a great fun. So I thought why not to share with you all. So come, let's see. It takes a long way to go, but such beautiful places, it's worth to go and see. So we reached there, and this place is known as Razaat. Many a times I've been here, and every time I come here, I just enjoy myself. I love the place. Especially this place is fully surrounded with mountain, and in between we can see those parks and water streams. Everything was so perfect and so beautiful. This place, was so beautiful, peaceful, and full of tranquility. Uh, it was so like I just love the nature. See those bougainvilleas, they're so beautiful. They were like white, the symbol of peace, and dozing their head and welcoming us, giving us a warm welcome. So I just can't take off my eyes from those beautiful flowers. Taking a good walk and spending time with nature, I just love to watch the nature, and I'm so blessed to see these beautiful places. See those trees and the sun rays, the chirping sounds of birds. It was like music for me. I just love to watch the nature like this. Wherever I go, I just enjoy the nature. uh, you know you just have to feel it. And look at those trees. They were so beautiful and perfect. It was a little bit windy on that day, but it was nice. The weather was also perfect. And look at those two trees. They were like, for me they look like an art. So I just loved to enjoy, to see them. And these flowers, they were so beautiful. Oh my god. See, isn't they beautiful? Yes, they were beautiful. Now that's the nature, the beauty of the nature. Now these flowers, you can see it. And luckily, we got to see lots of camels on that day. We enjoyed watching them. So then on, we went for a boating. Just we had a boating, and we spent a good quality of time. See those water, they were just so clean and crystal clear. And listening to those sounds of water, it was like a music, like a meditation for me. I was just sitting there and listening to the sounds of the water. It was so clean, and uh, it was so beautiful to watch them. I was so blessed to see, to view this. So this is how we spend our weekend. It went well, and we enjoyed a lot. So thank you for watching, and we will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care. And again, have a nice day, you all.